I finally did it. Finally. Cream of nature, clay, and charcoal. It's a pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask. And when you open it, it's like, trying to open it for you. Charcoal color, creamy. It says to leave on 10 minutes. It's supposed to take things out your hair that's like oils or whatever you use, gels, or this is a pre-shampoo, so it's going to really have your hair really ready to be completely clean when you finish shampooing. So 10 minutes, this is going to be on my hair. I just put it through just like this. This is how I just dabbed it through, just like that, all the way through. I opened each side parting with my fingers, and I make sure it was just like all over, so the whole head can get it, scalp and all the hair all the way to the ends. I just kept at it. So I want to show you what this benefits besides just deep cleansing. If it's charcoal, there's other benefits, I'm quite sure. Now I just got to, I'm gonna have to read more, but I know that I needed this because it said something about helping to strengthen the hair. And so it has apple cider vinegar in it. There's no mineral oil, no petroleum. It's activated charcoal is what it is. Activated charcoal. So it's new. It also comes with its own shampoo and conditioner. But I'm just using the charcoal this time. Then I'll just go ahead and wash with my shampoo I'm gonna use this time. And conditioner just like it, which is a coconut water, vanilla milk. All sorts of stuff going on here, but it's okay. You're gonna get the final results as soon as 10 minutes is up. I'm gonna rinse it out, shampoo my hair, and thinking about wearing the natural style, but I was thinking about blow drying it this time, so I can put some curls in my hair with this other product I just got, which is something you curl your hair with. So you'll be able to see what becomes of my hair with this new stuff I never used before. Okay, just wanted to show you that. Thumbs up, subscribe for more information on everything.